the remarkable Downy Woodpecker. A master forager in the forest canopy, watch closely as it skillfully uses its strong beak to drum on tree trunks, searching for hidden delicacies beneath the bark. With each rhythmic tap, it listens for echoes, detecting the subtle vibrations that reveal the presence of insects lurking beneath the surface. A true percussionist of the avian world, the Downy Woodpecker effortlessly navigates the trees, extracting its meals with precision, a testament to nature's ingenious designs. This magnificent creature showcases the art of survival in the heart of the wilderness.